Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Adine. So today make sure you subscribe and you stay tuned for this beautiful nail design that I did using some stamping plates as well as a matte top coat. So if you're interested in how I got this super cute matte graffiti nail design, then keep on watching, okay? Okay, so the first thing I'm doing here, I'm taking a small barrel nail drill or nail bits, and I'm removing any dead particles are on top of the nail plate, because if you don't remove that stuff, your nails are not gonna, adhere to the nail bed. Next, I'm taking a sanding band and I'm going to remove the shiny layer on all her nails, because like I told you in my previous video, nothing sticks to shiny. It has to have some type of texture. The shine needs to be removed. And once I do that, I'm going to clean it up with some alcohol and a pad, and then I'm going to take my Apres bonder and primer and I'm going to scrub it on the nails, and this is going to adhere, make sure the nails don't go anywhere. I'm using my Creation Soft Gel Tips Extension Gel, and I'm applying a slip layer on all 10 of her fingers, and then I'm going to cure it for about 10 seconds. And here I'm using the Apres Natural Coffin Short in the color Emma, and I'm just going to be applying this with the Creation Soft Gel extension that I showed you earlier. And then I take my lamp right here, and I'm going to cure it for about 15 seconds. Once I apply every single tips on her nails, I'm going to stick the hand back into the lamp for a total of 60 seconds. And you guys, I will make sure I have everything linked in my Amazon storefront. So basically the lamp, the gel, the tips, everything that I'm using will be down below in my Amazon storefront. Next, I'm going to cut the nails a little bit shorter because she likes her nails on the shorter side. So I'm going to use my nail clippers to do that, and I'm just going to make sure that each finger is the same length. So I like to put them next to each other to compare the length. And after I do that, I'm going to whip the nails into shape, and we're going to make them nice and crispy. And once I do that, I'm going to take my sanding band once again and remove the shiny layer from on top of the tips. And now my favorite part, design. I'm using this Madame Glam gel color in the color, and the name of it is Blessings. So this is a nice and warm, creamy, like white color. It's not stark white, but it has like a nice, like yellowish, warm undertone. So it's not too bright, but it's not too yellow. It's really pretty. And I did 2 coats of that on her index finger and her ring finger. And of course, there's nothing like taking out a new stamping plate. I'm using the Maniology M379 plate, and I'm using this little graffiti design. Before that, I'm using this color by D&D, Blue Lagoon, I think it's called. And I'm going to do the rest of her nails this color, and I'm doing 2 coats of the blue on her middle finger and her pinky as well as her thumb. And then for the stamping, I'm going to use Maniology's Rosebud B507, and I'm going to drop this color on the plate, and I'm going to scrape it about 3 times to remove any excess gel. And I'm going to pick it up with the stamper, and I'm going to grab my client's hand, and we're going to drop it on the white nails. And I decided to switch stampers for her. Oh, here I'm just cleaning the, the gel. And here I decided to use a bigger stamper because the thumb, it's a bigger nail. So I needed to get a bigger stamper. And here I'm just showing how the nails look with no top coat, no nothing. And then basically what I do is take this Waterworld USA matte top coat, and every nail that's blue is going to get the matte top coat, and every nail that has the graffiti with the white base is going to get a glossy top coat.
a Mercedes, but I'll ride for you now. Double take and then you say that you don't. Tell me everything you're thinking about. If I'm making a mistake, call it out, call it out. Tell me what you need in my time. By my side, just know you got a seat in my pride. I'll reserve for your friends, get the back seat. You don't need to call that taxi. Didn't take a sip.
Well, there you guys have it. The final look. Look how pretty these nails came out. I love the set. She loved it. I loved it. And yeah, hopefully the video is doing them justice because they look so stinking cute. And look how sharp they are, okay? I did my big one on this set. Let me know what else you want to see from me. And make sure you comment, you like, and you subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Tell me what you desire. Get all that I can provide. Hey, if you want my love, then I got that, baby. Some of your time, yeah, I want that, baby. Take you on a yacht, cause you drive me crazy.